Group to fractions and percentages questions 21 to 40. Q21 Convert 1/4 to percentage. At 20% be 25%, e 50%. Answer be 25%. Q20 to what is 0.75 as a fraction? A 1/2 be 3/4, c 1/4. Answer be 3/4. Q23 what is 10% of 200? At 10 be 20, c 40. Answer be 20. Q24 solve 3/5 plus 1/5. A 4/5 be 4/10 c to fifths. Answer a 4/5. Q25 what is 0.1 times 10? A 0.1 be 1 c 10. Answer be 1. Q26 what is 20% of 500? A 50 be 100 c 150. Answer be 100. Q27 what does 1/3 mean? A third part be half part c quarter part. Answer a third part. Q28 what percentage of 80 is 20? A 20% be 25%, e 30%. Answer be 25%. Q29 what is 2.5 plus 2.5? A 4.10 be 5.0, c 5.5. Answer be 5.0. Q30 what is 1 0.25? A 0.50 be 0.75, c 0.85. Answer be 0.75.